Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to tie any of these styles, stick with me so we can learn how to do so. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you would get notified anytime I post a new videos. I'll be how you see them now. I don't mind you liking and sharing this video. Let's do this. We will be using 20 by 70 inches fabric, and yes, honestly I love this fabric. I can't come and lie here. Madam, it's okay, I beg, it's okay. Yes, we'll be folding the fabric into two, like so, putting it behind your head. Perfect. Divide by two so that it will just be perfect with your updo. So hold it into two. I think everything is divided by two here. Twist it tight like a shoelace, and there you go. Just make sure you adjust it to the size you want the volume of the front to look like. And then I was just trying to find a very convenient or comfortable place to tuck in the edges, and I would love to say try to make it a certain tightness you can take, so it won't hurt your ears or your head when you walk around with it for the whole day. But that's it. All you need to do now is take out all of the, just open it up and get the volume you need. But I would say try to open everything so it will give you that volume. I love this head wrap. It's a little bit hard because we tied it, we divided it into two, you remember, when we were tying the head tie. So that is why you need to take your time. But look at this head wrap. Oh my goodness, I love it. Madam Kofo, pose for a picture. Guys, 20 by 70 inches again, the same thing. Fold it into two, and all you need to do now is use, I think it's less than 3/4. I don't know the ratio, I don't know math that well to start giving you some ratios here. All you need to do is tie it up, and yeah, just to the tension you like, and then just roll the other part till the longer part till it's gone. Tuck it in just where it ends. Just make sure it's very comfortable and would not come out. Yeah, all you need to do, that's it though, I beg, that's it. You just make sure you look for the edges. I just remembered I didn't show you, so it's gonna be I'm gonna take it off again and let you know it's just the edges. Yep, I just did. And then tuck it in. If this is not what you want to achieve, just fold it, like just to get a little donut look. But that is it. Oh yeah, say cheese. Right, I told you, if any of you tied this head tie with me or tied it later on, make sure you tag me on Tia. I'll put everything in my description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share like, subscribe, and all of that. And please tell me your favorite head wrap, and be sure to know that I'll be coming with new tutorials next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.